Recent rulings from federal and state Supreme Courts mean cases in Deschutes County are being returned to prosecutors. The courts ruled verdicts from non-unanimous juries were unconstitutional. Prison inmates are now returning to local jails. Today, Kelsey McGee talked with the DA about what's next. Kelsey?
District Attorney Stephen Gunnels said right now 3 of the non-unanimous jury cases are back in Deschutes County, and he expects there to be more, possibly up to a dozen cases. Several Deschutes County criminal convictions have been overturned due to unanimous verdicts, and those cases date back several years.
There are some cases that can be put back together and we can go to trial again with sufficient evidence, and there are some cases that can't, and some that kind of fall in the middle.
District Attorney Stephen Gunnels explains the process of handling return cases.
We have a group of attorneys in our office who then review those cases to make a determination whether we can go to trial again, whether we should try to negotiate the case, or whether the case has to be dismissed.
Gunnels says for most of these convictions, they tend to be either child sexual abuse or domestic violence, and their return to local courts can revive the pain of those involved.
If they are unwilling to come back and put themselves through that painful process of coming to testify, and we make a determination that we cannot prove the case after the passage of time, then those cases would be dismissed.
Victim advocates reach out to the victims to let them know the case is coming back, and they may need to be questioned before a new jury about what happened.
Asking those victims to come back and put themselves through it again after many years have gone by and that chapter of their life had been closed, that's really difficult.
Among the cases being revisited is the 2010 case of Nicholas Waldbillig. He was convicted of sexually assaulting a Bend woman. Another involves a former Sisters pastor, Jeremy Shane Hall. He was sentenced to 19 years in 2007 for sexually abusing a teenager. Kelsey McGee, News Channel 21.
Tonight we're asking, should jury verdicts have to be unanimous? To weigh in, head over to our web poll on the KTVZ.com homepage. You can vote on previous polls on our polls page, which you'll find under the News tab.